today just want to share with you some gems about hashtags, where to use them and how many. It's really important to use hashtags in the correct way and follow there is a certain online social etiquette. The overuse or misuse of hashtags can make your business profile look very unprofessional. So starting with Facebook, 1 to 2 is best practice. Users on Facebook that search a hashtag do so in order that they can find relevant content. Make sure that your hashtags are very relevant to your post. If they're too general, you will lose followers. Becoming part of a trending discussion will give traction to your post and in turn your business. Only use 1 to 2 hashtags on each post. Using more will again make you appear unprofessional. Twitter, 1 to 2. Using more than 2 hashtags on Twitter can actually decrease your engagement. Again, make sure that your hashtags are relevant to the tweet that you are sending and not just general tags based on your business. Putting a hashtag on your business name is a complete waste of time unless you are a trending global brand. So don't waste your tag, as clients will not appreciate this. Instagram, up to 30. When posting on Insta, you are allowed up to 30 tags. It's generally recommended that you use up your 30 tags to maximize your engagement. But again, make sure that they're relevant to the post. Pinterest is 0. Pinterest stated in 2018 that they were going to start using the hashtag capability on their platform, but to date there's no evidence to say that this works. As with the Facebook algorithm, it does not seem to differentiate between hashtags and keywords. Because of this, it is recommended that you use keywords in your text as well as tags. LinkedIn, for business, the most important platform, 2 to 3 hashtags. LinkedIn does have a searching method for hashtags, which can give your posts a significant boost. Although they do not limit the number of hashtags you can use, again, best practice is that less is more. It's considered that up to 3 is professional. As mentioned before, please do not waste a tag on your business name. If someone is reading your post, they already know who you are. As this is a purely business platform, it is more important than ever that your tags are relevant to your post, as if they are general, this will show that you do not understand what tags are for and will make you look, again, unprofessional. So I hope that was useful. See you again in the next tip.